Alright friends, today I'm going to tell you about how to fix your green screen on your Samsung Galaxy S8 or S Plus or any phone if it works. So I had no clue what to do with my green screen on my phone when I charged it. So I used Google Voice in order to turn the brightness of my phone to 100% by saying, "Hey Google, turn screen brightness to 100%." I'm manually doing this because Google is not listening right now because I'm recording this video. When you say this, your screen brightness shall automatically raise up to 100% and you will be able to use your screen in the green screen. Keep using your screen for about half an hour and charge it to 50% at least. Then use it till the night or the day for whatever time you want, and it will automatically get fine. Your screen will be back again. Hopefully you like this video and this will definitely help you. Make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and put your comments if your screen got well.